Now it's dimmer, but as soon as you walk forward, it's super bright. All right, today we're gonna bring a large solar light and we're gonna set this up in an industrial area. And if you guys can see, it has night to day mode, comes with remote control. It comes with all the tools you need, all the accessories. So you do need the pole here that resides in here. Now this is gonna last you probably, it depends on the actual solar charge. It lasts up to 18 hours, depends on the daylight, right? Now it does have day to night mode. It's outdoor graded. And if you guys can see, it's fully it has a sensor here. Now on the sensor, if it sees somebody walks by a certain degree, certain angles, it's gonna turn on bright and then it dims down and then it turns off. But if you have it day to night mode, it'll stay on completely at a certain level. So if you guys can see, it does have an indication of how much charge you have. Right now we have day to night. So if I put it against my chest, it's gonna turn super bright. We're gonna set this up tonight. Right now, we're actually drilling as we speak, the actual hole. So let's go and set it up. To use the controller is very simple. It's a very petite control. So we're gonna go over some details on the actual control. You got your on and off button. You got your hours, your 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours, and then you have your auto. That's auto is set for night to day mode. And then you got your radar. That's the sensor, right? You go do negative or positive on the actual lighting. Very simple, easy to use. Now, right now we have it currently off, but there's 2 off and on buttons, so you could turn it on by the front, all right? Off and on. So we're gonna set it up on a high rise here, and we're gonna take a look at it and see how well it works. So.
Well, that's a bad design.
Yeah.
Oh, that other one is awesome.
Yeah. Yeah.
So those are. All right.
All right.
Turn it on.
Turn it on. Here you go. All right, as you can see, we have 2 lights set up in here and able to turn it off, turn it on. We set up 2 of them because we want to make sure we have a bright area here, but that one's already going out. So this is our new one that we just set up brand new here. We just finished setting up another one there. We're going to try to set up as many as we can around this area here and get that brightness. But the best thing about it is a sensor. So at night when you're walking, right now we have our floodlights on, but when you're walking here at night, it's going to use the sensor. And if you guys see it's charging right now, we have the other one charging too. But this one's really bright. It has more LED lights than the other ones. And now if you go back here, you can see how bright we have this area here illuminating at night. So like I said, it's a great deterrent for any crime, any graffiti. People don't get to see who any, like you can see right now, it just turned off a little bit, but as soon as I walk forward, you're gonna see the brightness, it turns on. There you go. So the sensor kicked in right now. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.